What do you think of all this big equipment?
Cool.
Yeah? You like it?
And I learned about the big giant vehicles.
What are they called?
Tractors.
And that's her happy face.
I won.
No.
Did good.
You did not. Oh.
Did good.
I don't believe you.
Should we go somewhere fun and interesting today?
Yeah.
Go learn a bunch of stuff? Yeah?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Do you want to go to a farm show? Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we go learn about farming stuff? Just the two of us.
Yeah. I never spent time just with you in a long time.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun to just have a dad and daughter day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, should we get going? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Where are we?
At the farm show. At the farm show.
Yeah, you ready to see what this is?
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you get in the last place? You got a yardstick. What do you think of all this big equipment?
Cool.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff here. Yeah? I'm going to check out it. What?
Look how big this is.
I know. We're going to check out another building?
Yeah, let's check it.
All right.
Check it out.
Is this the most exciting thing so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the big giant one that's taller than you.
It is taller than me.
Yeah. It takes a long time to fill up this thing.
Yeah, right?
It has. Look at the moon.
He's got big shoes, huh?
Yeah, look at all the pants.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll show you guys what I got. That's in my pocket.
What is it?
Cornman.
Mr. Cornman. Who'd you get that from?
Over.
Who?
Jesse.
Who was here?
Jesse had a favorite.
Who is that?
A corn?
You mean Grandpa Jesse?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what do you think so far?
Cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
All right.
I learned about milking cows, as I said. And I learned about the big giant vehicles.
What are they called?
Tractors and feeding machines for the cows.
That was a mixer.
Yeah.
Cool.
What else did we see?
We saw these big vehicles that looked like tractors.
Tractors. Yeah.
Tractors.
It was called a chopper.
A chopper.
Yep.
Aw.
And a bagger.
A bagger.
Remember I told you what that does? It puts feed into big.
Bag.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What kind of milkers did we see?
Oh, careful, honey, you're gonna fall over.
Robot ones.
Yeah.
Robots.
They'll milk the cows all by themselves.
Whoa.
What do you got there?
a corn man.
Yeah?
Strong.
What are you supposed to do with him?
Squeeze away. Ever get frustrated.
Yeah. What did you have to see more than anything at the farm show? The really big...
Tractor things.
No. The inflatable...
Cow.
The giant inflatable cow.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, but you can't climb all over him.
No, you can't climb all over.
Yeah, he was like super big. And he had big giant shoes. Cow shoes.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right.
He's littler than this strong corn man. He was.
I currently have a happy cat on my lap. Are you happy? She purrs all the time if she's even near a person. And that's her happy face. Not very happy. Like, this cat is super weird. She's at like on an incline, blood rushing to her head, and she's happy. And this guy wants to scare her so bad. Okay, so AJ is the worst at impulse shopping, and I sent him to the store to get carrots, apples, and milk. And I told him we don't need any sweets, we don't need any junk food, definitely don't get any. So we'll see how he does. He always fails every single time. So it'll be a miracle if he actually gets only the 3 things I told him to get.
I won.
No,
I did good.
You did not. Oh,
I did good.
I don't believe you. I vlogged it.
Okay. Did you tell them already?
Yeah.
Whenever I go to the store,
You always
like,
get something. I told you not to get anything.
get- I went to this. Okay, I went to the store
Shut up.
for apples, carrots,
And milk.
and milk. I got
You did this because you knew I was gonna.
apples,
I'm so mad at you right now.
milk, and carrots. I thought about it the whole time I was there. I'm like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna get anything else because we don't need anything else. I was like looking at the chicken. They had a really crazy chicken sale. I was like looking at some other stuff that was on sale. And I'm like no. I'm just gonna get what I went to the store for once. And I was like really happy and excited and kind of proud of myself.
I'm really disappointed in you right now for doing the right thing.
Oh, it's tough, but I did it.
Man.
I even walked through the bakery. That was the hardest part.
Oh, come on. It's not even the good bakery store.
The smells. It smelled so good.
Oh my
Everything
god.
smelled good.
We have a bunch of junk food at
I
home
know.
that we don't order. We don't.
I know.
What are we gonna do?
Stay.
Oh.
He's happy. Should we make this part of your chores? And
Yeah.
brush the dog?
Yeah, because he loves it.
He does.
He's happy every time he sees his brush, he like goes crazy for it.
Get his back
So is the playtime tomorrow?
Nope.
Oh. When is the playdate after tomorrow?
Friday.
Friday? When is Friday?
Well, today's Tuesday.
And when is Friday, I'm saying?
Well, figure it out.
I can't figure it out.
Yes, you can.
I don't know the song very well. You sing it.
Start beating. You do it.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Thursday.
Thursday,
Friday.
Friday,
So today's Thursday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. It is tomorrow.
Ooh, what?
Wednesday. Didn't want to be brushed, kitty.
What were you gonna talk about? Did you have fun today?
Yeah. The farmer's show was awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got all to go to the granary
Yep.
in Osh, Scotch. Look at how much I can reach.
Yeah, you're so tall.
You are really tall.
That needs to be cleaned up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's so sad.
Some Swiffer dusters. Oh, sad puppy.
But you already got brushed. You already got that one off.
Is it time for bed? All right. Is everybody tired? Ready for sleep?
I'm not tired.
Yes, you are tired.
No,
You are tired. Go to sleep. Okay. Good night, everybody. All right, say good night for real.
Good night. Da-na-na.